everyone, welcome back to Jyovis. Today we're going to talk about a very easy skincare combination that has great result for skin lightening, for providing hydration to your skin and overall for a healthier skin. Whether you have a dry skin, oily skin or acne prone skin, this will suit all skin types, and as a day-to-day skincare routine, you can immediately make the most out of this. Before we begin, do press the like and subscribe button as it really motivates us to make more such videos. So here we're having two kinds of products. We have Derma-Active Aloe Vera Gel and Aloe Vera Pack. If you already have a Aloe Vera Gel and Aloe Vera Pack at home, that's well and good. If you don't, then you can use Aloe Vera Gel and Aloe Vera Pack. So first one, Aloe Vera Gel. It has glycerine and aloe vera present in it. It is great for skin infections, or it is great for oily skin, great for acne prone skin. Your Aloe Vera Gel. On the other hand, in this Aloe Vera Pack, kaolin is the main ingredient. Kaolin is a great detoxifier. It helps in eliminating the dead skin cells. So basically there are two ways of using this particular combination. In fact, three ways of using this combination. First one, the best one. Use a face wash or a cleanser, wash your face, keep your face wet. Over a wet face, apply Aloe Vera Gel or any aloe vera gel. Apply it throughout, keep it, let it be there for 10-15 minutes. Once it gets dry, once the gel gets dry, over it apply Aloe Vera face pack or any aloe vera face pack over it. Keep it for 20 to 25 minutes and wash it immediately. After this, you can use your night care creams or night care solutions that we told you in our previous video, or you can sleep just like that after doing this particular routine. The second one, you can mix Aloe Vera Gel and Aloe Vera Pack in equal amount. You can mix it well and apply it all over your face. Keep it for 15 to 25 minutes and wash it immediately. The third, very easy, you can use the gel, keep it overnight. Immediately morning you can wash your face. After that, apply the pack, keep it for 20 minutes and immediately wash it. So gel at night, pack in the morning, or gel in the morning, pack at night. That would be fine. But the first technique, applying aloe vera gel over wet face and after it gets dry, applying aloe vera pack, has great results. This was all for today. If you have any doubts or questions, let us know in the comment section. We would love to help you out. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.